Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a hair tutorial. Now I've got a lot of hair right now and literally it's not even that heavy, but it's just so much of it. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, who's this? Whoa, hello. Like it's so much and I kind of love it at the same time, not gonna lie. So in today's video, as you can already tell because you clicked on it, I am going to be recreating Khloe Kardashian's hair look that she put on Instagram not that long ago. I literally fell in love with it. As soon as she uploaded it, I like screenshotted it and I was like, I need to do this hair look because it literally looks insane and it's not hard to do at all. It is time consuming, that's what I'm gonna say. Like make sure you have like at least an hour on your hands, at least, depending on how thick and long and short your hair is. So that's all I'm gonna say. I am using extensions in today's video because, I mean, if your hair is naturally like this, then you're insane. But my hair unfortunately isn't. So I've had to use hair extensions and I've teamed up with Foxylocks for today's video because you guys know that they are my all-time favourite hair extensions ever. I literally adore them. So they are in my hair right now. You don't have to use hair extensions if you don't want to, depending on how long or short your hair is. If your hair is short, obviously you can still do this video, like it's not a problem. I just wanted to recreate her look, but it's also good for you guys just to see how I've done it and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you can do it if your hair's short, like it doesn't matter, but you know. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling on now. Just before I get into it, if you guys wanted to know what hair extensions I am using, these are the Foxylocks 22-inch seamless hair extensions in the style Cocoa, which matches like with my hair perfectly. And also I don't dye my hair. A lot of you are like, what colour is your hair, you dye it, da, da, da. I'd never dye my hair in my life. Actually, one time I got highlights and my mum didn't speak to me for like 3 days. So yeah, I literally have never dyed my hair. So if you're wondering what hair colour it is, the best way to find out is get these hair extensions and they are literally my hair colour, like perfect. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. Like 3 minutes has gone by and I'm like, well, if you want to see how to get this Khloe Kardashian inspired hair tutorial, then please keep watching. So as you beauties know already that I am going to be doing the Khloe Kardashian insane hair. Oh my god. Now I don't have blonde hair. It's quite clear that I don't have blonde hair, but I just wanted to recreate the hair look anyway because I hair flick then. I absolutely loved it. I'm not gonna lie. The time is currently 9:30 on a Thursday and I've decided to film this because I just want to be like on top of it and I just feel really motivated to do this video now. So I thought, you know what, why not? I'm just gonna do it now. And also tomorrow's my wash hair day. I was thinking for the weekend, I don't know, because I've never done this before. I'm doing it first time for you guys on camera. But I just don't know what it's going to be like for the weekend, so I'm going to try it now. But my boyfriend loves it and he was like, you need your hair like that on the weekend. So we're going to see what it looks like and then, you know, go from there. So clearly her hair isn't all real, hence why I'm going to be using the insane Foxylocks hair extensions. You guys will know that these are literally the only hair extensions I ever use. So when it comes to hair extensions, I've used a couple in the past, tried them, like they're still good, but then I always go back to Foxylocks and I think I always will. They're just the best. So I'm going to be using them because obviously her hair isn't all real. Like, imagine if that was your real hair. If your real hair is like that, then that's insane. My hair is long. I normally just do it for the thickness, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I have a really thin curling wand. You can find these from Boots, Superdrug. I will leave a link in the description box down below of loads of different ones you can buy. So yeah, the first thing you will need to do is literally section your hair into the smallest section ever. Now obviously my hair's a little bit wavy because I had it like it today, so we're just going to sort of work with what I've got. Pull my hair forward, brush it out. The world's smallest brush. It's got loads of disgusting hair in it. I don't know where my other brushes are, so I'm currently dealing with this. And it's the worst thing to do when your hair's like curly already and it's like, what am I doing? Ugh. Anyway, what I'm going to do is literally get the smallest sections ever. There we go. This is going to take you some time, girl, so you may want to like prepare yourself. I'm literally just going to untangle the wire and then just curl my hair like I usually would. The good thing about these curls is that obviously you're using less hair, so therefore it's late at night but I can't talk, therefore you don't need to keep it on the thing for that long. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the lemon short. So So that's what that one looks like. Curl the hair extension on my lap. Basically, I put the ends of the hair extensions in my lap and then I curl them, if that makes any sense. Quite confusing, but ones like this, you kind of need to tug. So it's really hard to do it when the hair extensions are in. And then that's what you're left with. Stupidly want a black top, but she wore a black top in the picture, so I was like, I'm gonna wear a black top, but I've got brown hair, so you can't really see the curl. So this side is done, and you can sort of let it drop for a bit and then tuck that in. I'll do this side again. Sort of left with this. It looks a bit like Victorian curls from back in the day. So what we're going to do is hairspray. I'm going to use Muck Hill hairspray. This hairspray is insane if you want it to like not move and stay. I know this is going to drop anyway, so I'm going to put hairspray now. Just a little bit. It's quite sticky, this hairspray though, that's the only thing. I normally use this one. Oh, I choked on myself. But this is my handbag one. I kind of want to keep it in my handbag for like nights out and stuff, so I'm going to use the Muck Hill. I'm not going to use any extensions on this part because I want to use the 4 first. I'm going to use the 3 then the 4, but I'm going to do it on the next section because I want the volume to be more focused on the top part because her hair sort of goes big. I look crazy right now. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh my god, I've literally got so much on my hair to do. Right, we're not going to do the next section. And this is the section we're going to also apply the hair extension. So all I'm going to do is curl my hair like I did on the bottom layer and then I'll be back. So I've just curled this layer. It looks crazy right now, but I will be like near the end, so don't you guys worry. Maybe at this point just sort of put your fingers through it like so. You can see how insane that is already. And then hairspray. What I'm going to do is now get the 4 clip, as you can see at the top. I'm going to brush through the extensions. Always brush through them before you put any heat on them or you put them in your hair because you want them to sort of look natural and not look a bit, you know, not good. So brush them all out so they are all nice and silky. And then when that's done, what I'm going to do is basically put this in between my legs so it's upside down like this, and I'll clamp it together on my knees. And then all you're going to do is literally get like little sections like this and curl them. That's all you're going to do. So simple. So I'll be back to you when this is all curled. Literally like how you do your hair, so don't stress. So I have just curled this part of my hair and I've literally spent about half an hour curling all the other extensions. I'm not picking them all up, but they're all literally there. I just thought I'd just do it then because I was on a roll. So what we're going to do is put the 4 clip into your hair at this point now. What I'm just going to do is get my brush and just back comb the root of my hair all the way around. This just ensures that the extensions aren't moving anywhere. And then what I'm also going to do is get the Schwarz off, I don't know how to say it. So once I've back comb that, I'm going to use the volumizing styling powder just lightly on my roots. This stuff is like insane and it's basically going to help just volumize the roots. If you put some on your hand and then rub your hands together, you can feel it really rubbery. It just really works. What I'm going to do is get the 4 clip hair extensions. These are the Cocoa Seamless, I think they're the 22-inch hair extensions, and all you're going to do is tightly clip them in as close as you can to your parting. And then you want to bring that forward. And look, the volume already is just insane. And then just hairspray all of it together. Done. Now for the next section, what we're going to do is do it from about here. And then just back comb it underneath and on top, and then just sort of lightly brush over the roots. And then you're going to curl each side. As you can see, just from me back combing the roots before I curled it, look at the volume. Whoa. I look so funny. I'm then going to grab a 4, which is a 4 clip, which looks like this, and you can sort of brush it out with your fingers. 4, but I'm going to use like texture stuff on it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And then, considering you've already backcombed it, you don't have to, but you can do it again if you want to. And then just clip that in, and then add that to the front. Look at that volume, and then put hairspray in it. I'm gonna wait, like at the end it will drop a bit, like right now it's so tight, so I will be putting some like stuff on it just to drop it and make it a bit more, you know, a bit less tight. But for now we're just gonna leave it, hairspray it, and then I'm gonna add some texture, or it's the volume powder, but I'm gonna put some in my hands and just put that in my actual hair and mix it in with the extensions. So she has got a side parting in it, which I'm also gonna do. So her side parting is around here. At this point I'm going to put the side parting in like so, and I'm going to put it in half so it looks like this. I look like a joke. This part of my hair I'm going to brush out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl one section, put a 2 in the middle, and then curl the top bit, and then that should be done. This section I'm going to put a 3, a 2, and then a 1. So that's sort of what we're going for right now. So that side is all done. It's not obviously finished, but the swoop bit is. I'm going to use this Made for Mess texturizing hairspray. Put it in my hair and sort of pull the curls out a bit. So this is what we've kind of ended up with. It is huge, but I was looking back at the pictures and her hair is, well, it is massive as well. So I think it will like tame a little bit, but it is massive. And it's so weird like seeing me with so much hair, and I literally haven't cut my hair like this, and I've never styled my hair like this, but I've used the really thin wand ages ago. I done a video on it ages ago, and I don't think I've done it right then, and I think you sort of need to brush it out a little bit and make it look a bit more natural and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm actually quite happy with how it's turned out. Like, it's so weird, it's so big. I feel like I've got a little tiny head for once. My head's quite big, so yeah. So anyway guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. We are so close to 400,000 subscribers. It literally like, so go on and join the fam, because it will mean so much to me, and you can keep up to date with all my latest videos. So make sure you subscribe with the button down below, it's free, and also hit that bell button next to it, which means you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is very important, because I feel like people forget about that. So make sure you click the bell as well so you're notified. I upload on a Monday, Thursday, and sometimes a Sunday if I vlog my week, which is also really exciting. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Make sure you comment down below what videos you want me to film. My hair is huge. It looks like I've kind of been electrocuted a little bit, but you know. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you in my next video.